I still miss her. You think Longclaw would be proud of me?
I know she would, pal. Because even though you lost her at such a young age, you didn't let your pain change who you are. In here.
Go ahead. Finish it. What are you waiting for? Do it. I'm right here.
You didn't let your pain change who you are. In here.